Alright, so we got our tail section off, which I just managed to drop on the floor like an idiot and put a big chunk in it, so. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Saturday in the shop. Sorry we missed you guys last week. It was a hectic week and did not get around to filming anything. So anyway, the plan for today is to get on our little Honda Shadow Racer that we started, God, I don't know, maybe a year and a half ago. I'm not sure how long it's been since the last video of that was out. It's been a long time. It's been in storage. And we got that out this week, threw it up on the lift, and we're going to look at finishing up the mock-up on it so we can get this thing blown apart and get it put back together. So I have no idea where we're at on it, other than I know we need to look at either finding a new rear shock that will make the back sit higher, or we're going to have to come up with a way to do that because we do need to raise the back of it up. And then we're just going to have to kind of sort through it and see what else we need to do as far as fab work goes, because I can't remember what I did yesterday, much less what I did on the bike a year or more ago. So that's the plan for today. I don't know, maybe we'll try and get the whole thing torn apart even. Just depends on what all we get situated. But first thing we're going to do is figure out that rear suspension setup. So I'm going to get out there and get to work. This is why you don't paint your bike while you're doing mock-up, but whatever. Life goes on. So first thing we're going to do is get this jack positioned so that it's off the swing arm. We're gonna take the shock bolt out of the back and then just sort of jack it up until we can get the bike to sit how we want cosmetically. Then we'll figure out how we're gonna actually make that work. Alright, opened up these holes in our tail section mount so that we can get it on and off without flinging it on the floor like I did when I just fucked it all up. So now we got our tail on, and gonna try and step back somewhere and get a look at how it looks cosmetically so we can decide if we've got enough height here. Which I think we might, so. That's good enough for now. That's not.
That'll give us.
Yeah. Nope.
Really?
That was it anyway.
Huh.
So. That's cool though. I think it's.
Yeah.
I think all I gotta do. I'm just gonna.
You just make a spacer, right?
Yeah. Well, I think even easier. I'm just gonna grind this little lip off here and here. Two pieces of flat 1/4 inch with a hole in them.
Yeah.
Just be done. Weld them right to the swing arm. Yeah. Easy enough.
Yeah. We still have that front squashes a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to shorten it and everything anyway. Alright, so you can see we got our shock unbolted out of here. I'm just going to make some tabs, weld them right onto here with a hole in it, and that's going to allow our shock to bolt on here and hold it in this orientation. It's quick and easy, be plenty strong, and it's just a simple way to get our suspension lifted up like we want. Alright, we got that area flattened off now. You can see right here, so we'll make a couple measurements, draw up a couple tabs, blast them out on the plasma table, and come back and get this suspension set. Alright, so we're going to make our dimensions here. Looks like we want to be about 2 inches to the center of the hole. No, I'm sorry, 1.5 inches to the center of the hole and about 2 inches overall. So let's do this. So, just jot that up. We'll go draw this up and get it cut. Alright, so we got our little tabs. I'm gonna go ahead and see about sliding these in here. If I had made the holes big enough, which I didn't. So I'm gonna go drill these out and come back. Alright, so we got our tabs in here. Fit nice. Gonna need a little bit longer bolt, no big deal. And we're gonna get the welder, drag it over here, get it all set up, and we'll go ahead and burn those in. Alright everybody, gonna interrupt the video here and try and get some quick information out there. The giveaway is back. We have tried twice now. This is our third and going to be our final attempt to get people excited about literally signing up to win a motorcycle for free. You don't have to spend any money. You just have to send an email and subscribe to our channel. I don't mean to talk to you like you're stupid, but this is so simple. I cannot understand how this is so difficult to do. The point of this is obviously for us to build our channel. Us building our channel helps us be successful. Therefore, the payoff of us giving away a motorcycle that we spent a bunch of time and money on is worthwhile. So, send your email, GattisGarageGiveaway.com. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel. And you don't have to, but if you want to actually win it, share this information with all your friends. We have 4,700 plus subscribers right now. If everybody gets one person to subscribe to the channel, we'll hit the number in like a day or 2 days, and the bike will go to its new home, which would be super cool for us. This is a simple thing, and I am just completely dumbfounded at the fact that we can't get people to do this. So, help me help you. I think that was Jerry Maguire. But anyway, we want to give the bike away. It'll be an awesome thing. It's a good feeling doing something nice for somebody. But yeah, we do have to get something out of it. We can't just build motorcycles for free and give them away. We'd be out of business quick if we weren't getting some return on our investment. So for us, the return on our investment is building the channel into a success. So please do this. And we're going to get back to our regular video. Alright, well, we got that on nice and secure now. We'll finish weld that when we get this thing blown apart. And I don't know, I think we're getting pretty close to doing that. I don't know what else we really have to do mock-up wise. I don't think much of anything. Exhaust is all mocked up here. We got all our body stuff done. I don't know, we'll have to give it another quick kind of glance over, but this may have been the last piece of real fab that needed to be done. Alright, so the last thing we're going to do here, I made these two little tabs so we can mount our exhaust collector. They're just going to One's going to get welded to the frame, the other one to the exhaust. And they'll just kind of meet up and get a bolt in them. Pretty basic stuff here. So there we go. Nice little exhaust mounting tab. Take a little button head screw or something in there, and this will all get ceramic coated when we ceramic coat the exhaust, and the frame tab will get painted with the frame. So, keeping with kind of simplicity on this bike in a lot of ways, I'm just going to use the stock foot controls. We're going to use a set of our knurled aluminum pegs. So I actually don't know what happened to the stock peg on this bike. I think it must have got broken or something, because the mounting pin is still here and the peg is gone. So may not have even been on the bike when I bought it. I can't remember. I can't even remember where this bike came from, honestly. Oh yeah, it definitely looks broken, because this pin is bent. So it must have fell over. Yep, and here's a little piece of the old peg. So I don't think this pin is going to work anymore for us, but this is our knurled aluminum foot pegs, which this little pocket may be bent a little bit, but anyway, I'll have to get that fixed up. You see the idea. You might have to grind the inside of this out a little bit. It's crushed tight, but on a non-screwed up foot peg mount, these slip in. You put your factory pin back, and you got a nice knurled foot peg. So those are available on our website, gattisgarage.bigcartel.com, if you want some for your shadow. Check them out, and check out all the other cool stuff we got going on over there. Alright guys, I guess that's going to be it for this thing. It's ready to just get it torn down, so we're going to get that done. We'll weld up the frame and stuff, and then we'll be ready to start doing final assembly. Hoping to get this done pretty quickly, but we'll have to see what happens. Tony is having a surgery, so he's going to be out for a few weeks. Not sure if I'll be able to get it all done before he goes, and if we'll have time with all our other workload to get the frame painted or not. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll report back here when we're ready to start doing assembly. Alright guys, that's it for today. We got the bike torn down, and hopefully we'll be able to get it finished welded and painted pretty quickly, and start putting it back together. So, as always, appreciate you guys spending a little bit of your time with us, and we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.